drunk every day. She been drunk every day, hey, she throwing up now. God, I smoke all the time, see I'm rolling up now. But I'm not one for games, is you rolling or not? We can smoke in the slab, let it roll for a mile. Bro, I put the whip in neutral, she smiled like a child. Then she started throwing up, I wiped it down with a towel. It's nothing to a player who take a pull of the loud. Up jumps the boogie and I'm kicking her out. But brother, best believe another bitch is the house. So I'm on her like a cat with the scent of a mouse. Hit the tat shop, get my lip pierced and I'm out. That's just how I roll, another day on the south side of Chicago where we trap like a mouse. And if you know too much, you get slapped in the mouth, fool.
Modern day hippie, east side crazy. Catch me on the east side. Catch me all over crazy. Check me out. Who you seen fresh as tea? Stepping out the crib on the strip at SBs. Smoking no kill when I come around, death breathe. Having sex with the reaper. Wanna learn how to do wrong, little nigga, I teach her. Marijuana for kids, passing out little children reefer. Every time they listen to my music, only wanna keep it real, somebody gotta do it. High off the fruity, but these other niggas still stupid. Talking about they did some shit, but they can't prove it. Meanwhile, catch me downtown getting lit as fuck. Who am I to fuck tradition up? You know the ritual. Wake up in the morning and bake to medicinal. Tell a bitch nah, but ask my nigga wanna hit this fool. Man, you wanna hit this shit, nigga? M.O.B. Marijuana over bitches, modern day hippie, nigga. M.O.B. till I die.